How to activate Windows. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how to easily activate Windows. So the very first thing you want to do is go ahead and access your settings on Windows. I can just click on the search icon down below and then search for settings. Hit enter. And once your settings is open, you want to find the system tab on the left hand side of your screen. Click on system. And then from this list, you just have to scroll down until you find activation. Go ahead and tap on activation. And then here you'll find your activation state at the top of your screen. You can click on this drop down over here. And then it will show you that your Windows is activated with a digital license linked to your Microsoft account. Now, if you want to activate your Windows, you have to change your product key. For that, click on this upgrade your edition of Windows, click on the drop down again. And then from here, you'll find change product key. Click on change. So if you like to update and upgrade your Windows version, you could just click on change. Once you have done that, this pop-up will appear on your screen and you can easily enter product key here to activate it. The next thing you can do is also upgrade it in your Microsoft Store. So go ahead and click on Open Store. It's going to open up Microsoft Store for you. And then you could also activate your Windows from here. So that's basically it. Now click on I have Windows 10 11 product key. And then you can activate it here. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one.